Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to add a new Google account to your Android phone. This works on all Android devices, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and find this option called Accounts and Backup. Or on some phones, it may say Passwords and Accounts or Users and Accounts. Now tap on Manage Accounts. Now tap Add Account at the bottom. Now from the list of account types, select Google. Now you will see the Google sign-in page. Here, enter the email address you want to add and tap Next. Then enter your password and then tap Next again. Google will show you its terms of service. Tap I agree to continue. And that's it. Your new Google account will be added to your device. You can then use it for Gmail, Play Store, YouTube, Drive, and more. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.